The obtrusive park assist blocked alert. If your car is not too old, you might have noticed this message, or one similar to it, appear on your dashboard. So should you be concerned, and what does it mean? I'll go over what causes this warning, what it means for your car, and, most importantly, what you can do to get this annoying issue fixed in this video. It's Max the Car Guy. Subscribe and let's get started. What is Park Assist? Park Assist is one of the most useful and well-liked driver assistance features. Drivers can safely park their cars with the help of Park Assist audio and visual cues. When you maneuver your vehicle in a way that puts it too close to an obstacle of any kind, almost always an audible alarm goes off. External cameras are also frequently used to provide a view of these obstructions. In the event that you get too close to a stationary object and a collision seems likely, the most recent iterations of Park Assist can now automatically apply the brakes. As a result, parking-related collisions involving late-model cars have all but disappeared, saving thousands of dollars in insurance claims. What does a Park Assist warning mean? When a car displays a message such as Park Assist blocked, unavailable, off, malfunction, it usually indicates that there is a problem that prevents the car from using its integrated Park Assist feature as intended. This usually indicates that one or more inputs that are necessary for the Park Assist system to intelligently determine how close obstacles are to the vehicle in question are not available. Owing to the possibility of an accident in less than ideal condition, a car will turn off all Park Assist features to reduce needless risk. Often, resolving the underlying problem or hard-setting the offending fault are the only ways to get the Park Assist feature back on. The aforementioned Park Assist lockout, however, is likely to happen again as soon as the offending fault is relogged if the latter of these options is chosen. Parking assistance sensor-related warnings are frequently encountered. In response to this problem, automakers have even released service bulletins. Causes. The message Park Assist blocked may occur for a number of reasons. Dirty sensors. Thankfully, dirty sensors are the most frequent reason why a Park Assist blocked message appears. This typically occurs when one or more sensors are completely obstructed by dirt, mud, or gravel dust. Cleaning all of your car's sensors thoroughly is the only practical solution in this situation. Damaged sensors. Do not be alarmed if Park Assist stops working after a recent collision of any kind involving your car. This is particularly valid if the front or rear bumper of a car has any damage. The majority of park assistance systems employ relatively delicate and easily damaged sensors. Excessive speed. For safety reasons, a lot of cars are configured to only permit the use of park assist functions at specific speeds. Even though not every park assistance function uses this interlock, it is noticeable enough to warrant discussion. If you are backing up at a comparatively fast speed and you see the message Park Assist block, consider reducing your speed to get better outcomes. Heavy rain. What you saw may be considered fairly normal if you have ever had a Park Assist failure while driving in a lot of rain. A park assistance sensor's detection range may be obstructed by heavy perception, in which case a blocked message is frequently displayed. PCM malfunctions. Vehicle PCM failure, albeit extremely rare, can hinder the vehicle's ability to process data relayed from individual park assistance sensors. Park Assist functionality is thus frequently lost. However, before you condemn a PCM for such problems, you should absolutely rule out all other options. How to reset. The precise steps required to reset this message vary depending on the model. It's crucial to find out the precise reset process offered for the vehicle's specific make and model because of this. In any case, using a good automotive scan tool should allow you to access an interactive menu where you can reset this message. Generally speaking, turning on and off the Park Assist feature on your car can be used to reset the Park Assist function generally. In the process, the system verifies each of its inputs as it reinitializes. This should restore the Park Assist feature to your car, assuming that the previous problem was only temporary. Hope the information was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.